Here you're looking at the heads of adult fruit flies, Drosophila melanogaster. On the left is a fly that's normal. It has a pair of eyes, small antennae, and mouth parts. On the right is the head of an Antennapedia mutant. And here you see that in place of the normal antennae, there are perfectly sculpted middle legs. And this results from the misexpression of the Antennapedia gene in the wrong tissues. Normally, Antennapedia is active in the middle thoracic regions of the developing embryo, where it controls the development of middle legs. But in this Antennapedia mutant, the normal Antennapedia transcription unit is misexpressed in head tissues, and this causes a transformation of antennae into legs.